Okay, do this instead of elbow knee escape. So when you begin jiu-jitsu, you hear a lot about elbow knee escape. It helps you escape mount and maybe helps you get out of half guard. But the way I like to think of it is elbow hip escape. I start at my hip. So if I'm in the bottom of mount, I see a lot of beginning students who get here and they're trying to do elbow knee escape and nothing's working. Where if they think elbow hip, they'll bring their elbow to their hip bone and that'll get inside the knee. And then I can scrape that knee out and start my escape. If I'm in half guard, go to the side, coach. I'm in half guard. Instead of thinking elbow knee, I'm going to bring my elbow to my hip. And now I'm inside his knee. I can clear that out and I can start to recover my position. So I think just thinking of the name of the escape as elbow hip is going to make you more efficient. It's going to get you there. Whenever I'm in the bottom in a bad position, if I can bring my elbow to my hip bones, I start to improve my position and I'm going to start to escape. So this is just a small detail. I hope it helps you out. If you find value in it, please subscribe to this channel.